Look here with me, please, guys. If you don't know, if you don't have Excel or Word or PowerPoint in your computer, what you need to do, if you log into your accounts like this, for example, this is one of the accounts. For example, I'll go to the ICT. Then you will find here for example, one of the assignment. Click View Assignment or open the assignment if you didn't submit it yet. For example, you need to resubmit your assignment again. Resubmit assignment. Then here, create. Which one is the teacher asked you to do? For example, Word, Excel, PowerPoint. For this assignment is Excel. You're gonna select Excel, and automatically the Excel is going to open for you, that you can create the Excel sheet. Then here you go. You can add the things, insert. For example, if there is no word art, just use the normal text. Okay. Just put here, for example, the UAE population. Then you start writing and make the borders and everything. There is a border here. You can use it as well. Thank you.